like black Pokemon.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a black caiman. That's cool, isn't it? So this is all the stuff that's on there then, that you can ride.
I want to go on the dolphin.
Oh yeah.
I want to go on the crocodile.
Yeah, cool. All right. Look at that. Are you excited to go on there, Henry? Yeah? You excited, us?
Yeah, I want to go with the snake, the dolphin, or the turtle. Depends which one's.
Yeah? Yeah, cool. I think we'll just be able to go on anywhere we can. Hey, oh look, it's a sloth. Oh, a snake, Henry. Do you want to go on a snake? No? Oh, you want to go on this, maybe? Oh, look at that. That is so cool.
Who wants to go on the sloth? Wait, I want to go on that cheetah.
The cheetah? Yeah, come on then. Yeah, look at that. You alright, Oz? Oz is just relaxing. Make sure you hold on, bud, yeah? Yay, Henry. You alright?
Way up.
Yeah, you're way up high. Yeah? You having fun? We've got a poisonous frog next to us, Henry.
We're getting faster.
Yeah. I got you, don't I? Oscar's just relaxing. Let us know in the comments below, guys, if you've been to Drusillas Park. Henry, looks like you're having fun, don't you? You're going up and down.
I wish I went with Henry. I should have gone with Henry.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure. Oh, you must be though, because otherwise there wouldn't be a handle there.
Yeah. But I think you can hold on to the pole at the back.
Yeah, at the back.
Yeah.
Henry could have gone with me.
Yeah.
Next time I'll go with
He wanted to go on the cheetah though, or the leopard
I'll
or
go with
whatever it
Henry
is.
next time.
Yay! You like that?
Yep.
Yeah, super fun. Okay, let's unstrap you. Well, that was so much fun, wasn't it? Let's see if you can spot Mummy, darling. And she's up there, look, coming this way. Yay! There they are, look. Yay, Henry! Henry!